Hi, I'm Clay Carlino, and this is not Pittsburgh. This is Xcaret, a natural attraction park right next door to the Occidental resort in Riviera, Mexico. The park is built in a jungle on the coast, with all sorts of naturally occurring underground rivers leading out towards the ocean. These attractions are not only breathtaking to look at as they weave their way throughout the park, but you're actually able to get down in the river and float with it almost all the way to the shore. This is the entrance to the river. You step down into the water and almost immediately go underground. Some of these underground portions can be pretty lengthy, and there are quite a few times when you can find yourself in pitch blackness for several minutes at a time before you finally see a glimmer of daylight at the end of the channel.
Wow. Darkness. No parents.
So when I say that these rivers are woven all throughout the park, I mean that they go right through other attractions as well. Here the river leads through the enormous amphitheater where they put on a mind-blowing cultural show every night.
Yeah, I feel like if we were getting put to death, then this would be where the crowds would watch it happen.
There are some places where they've added lighting to the underground caverns and created designated photo op locations. While these aren't exactly as seen in nature, they are pretty cool nonetheless. Periodically, you'll come upon places where you can get out of the river and explore, then get back in if you want.
The adventure is just beginning. Keep going and discover the beauty of the river. I like how it doesn't have a name.
As a native of landlocked Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania, where the closest body of water is the silty brown Allegheny River, I was blown away by how clear and clean-looking the water is here. I still wouldn't drink it, though.
I guess if you pay money, you can get a better shot than this one. There's the camera. I didn't pay the money, so this is all you're getting. So cool.
One very unexpected phenomenon that we encountered several times was that the current actually pushes backwards in places. It's the weirdest thing, but there were definitely links where the water was trying to push us upstream.
It's a worky river.
Yeah, there's some effort in this baby.
I'm gonna have to pop in a new battery.
There are several rivers that you can try. Every now and then you could even see people in nearby branches, separated only by shallow rock barriers. I would have loved to have tried them all just to see where they go, but sadly there were only so many days in this vacation.
Wow, this is gorgeous.
Now, before you start in one of the rivers, there's a booth you go to where you can give them any of your stuff that you don't want to take into the water. That's where you get the very stylish Xcaret life vests. They'll put your stuff into a locked duffel bag with an ID number keyed to your wristband. Then they'll have the bag waiting for you at the end of the river. I was kind of amazed that it worked. That being said, that was not even close to being the most impressive thing about the end of the river. Fortunately, in a lot of these places, they've tied ropes along the walls of the caverns, which are great for pulling yourself along and definitely make you feel more confident when you can't see where you're going.
Wow. That is so cool.
We didn't realize it at the time, but we were just about to reach the end of the river. The cavern opens up, and what it's like on the other side, I really just can't describe it. I can't wait to show you. Well, crap.